What's up guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jessie, and in this channel I'm all about sharing food recipe. And in today's video I'm going to show you how to prepare coconut mandazi, so stay tuned. Here are my ingredients. I have cooking flour, cinnamon and baking powder, sugar, lemon juice, egg, coconut milk or coconut cream, warm water, then cooking oil. So first I'm going to start by sieving my cooking flour. I just love it sieved, that's why I'm going to sieve it first. After sieving, I'm going to place it aside, then mix the remaining ingredients with my coconut cream. So I'm going to add cinnamon and baking powder in my coconut cream, add egg. After adding egg, I'm going to add my lemon juice. Then I'm going to mix it until it forms one layer. Mwambie Yesu, mwambie takushindia. Yesu mwambie anaweza yote. Yesu mwambie, mwambie Yesu mwambie. After I've mixed, I'm going to place it aside. Then add sugar to my cooking flour. Mix it well. Add my cooking oil. Then mix with the flour. I'm going to add the mixture to the flour. Add my mixture to the flour. Then I'm going to knead it well. Until it forms a dough. I'll not use the water since the mixture was enough, so I'll not use the warm water. I'm going to turn my dough into a flour surface, then knead it until the ingredients have been combined well. Hapo mpaka utumie nguvu. Requires more energy. And mark you, it's early in the morning, 5 a.m. it in an oily bowl. After placing, I'll cover it with a clean cloth or a towel. Then allow it to rest for an hour. After it has risen, nikishafura place your dough in a floor surface. Then I'm going to divide it into portions. Mine I'm going to divide into 3 portions. I'm going to mix it with the flour. Mix them one by one. The flour first. After mixing, I'm going to roll them out one by one. Ensure that it's 1 inch thicker, 1 inch thicker. After rolling out, I'll cut it. I'll divide it, let me say, by 2. It 4 pieces for it to be 4. I'll repeat that step to the remaining 2. I'm done I'm going to allow my cooking oil to be hot. I can see it's almost hot. The cooking oil is now ready, so I'm going to place it one by one. Then fry. Fry it until it's turned golden brown. Na usiweke moto mingi. Ukiweka moto mwingi, it will cook yet ndani haitaiva. Repeat the step, the remaining one, the same step. Repeat it mpaka time utamaliza. I'm done cooking. Toodles! Now I can have my breakfast. Like, comment and share. And if you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.